Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the display mode in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the menu key on the controller. Then select Options. In Options, make sure you are in the Video and Display tab. Here, scroll down and look for Display Mode. Here you can select either Windowed or Borderless. As you can see, when I swap to Windowed, I have the option to apply the setting. If you decide to change it to Windowed mode, do so. After that, you will notice the game is now displayed in the Windowed mode. And I think that's about it. You can back out of these menus, of course. As I said, the changes have been applied by pressing the apply button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.